Hey everybody, so we got a small pickup from Home Depot. We got some oil, and I also want your guys' advice. I'm looking for something. Maybe you guys can point me in the right direction of what I'm looking for. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is just a quick little it's kind of a tool haul, tool unboxing. Well, not necessarily an unboxing, but it's, you know, an unbagging. I picked up some of this liquid wrench hydraulic jack oil. I don't know if anybody's actually had experience with this extreme pressure protection oil before. I kind of like that it's got a little spout on it. You pop it open, a little pour spout. I am looking for a similar bottle, similar to this, preferably clear, that maybe not as big. This is a 32 fluid ounce bottle, but it has a dripper port similar to this. What I'm looking for is I need one where I can fill it up and I can write on it, you know, strictly tap fluid, or, you know, strictly drilling fluid. And, you know, I was thinking of an oil can, you know, squirt can, but, you know, they're not easy to find, and when you do find them, some of them are expensive. You know, if you guys have any suggestions, maybe you guys buy a specific type of oil squirt can, and it's not expensive, but you like it. You know, it's not cheap either, but you like it. You know, give me your guys' suggestions in the comments below. If you guys have used this, let me know what you think of it. Has it worked out well for you? What I'm going to be doing more than likely is, once this bottle is empty, which will be pretty soon because I have a couple 20-ton bottle jacks that I need to fill, as well as a couple, I got 4 floor jacks that need oil as well. But not all of those are going to be filled by this one bottle. What I'm going to probably be picking up is Stubby, or I think it's Stubby, from Napa. It's a 1-gallon container of hydraulic jack oil. And we're going to be just refilling this yellow liquid wrench bottle with whatever brand oil, jack oil I buy from now on. But I wanted this bottle because it's got the pour spout, which will make a lot easier for filling certain jacks. But, you know, just a quick little video. If you guys know, I was looking originally for like a little squirt bottle, a little, you know, round or plastic clear bottle that's got a little pour spout on it, something like that, or even one that you have to squeeze the bottle to allow the liquid to come out. You know, if you guys have any suggestions of, you know, dripper bottles or squeeze dripper bottles, or you know, oil can drippers, something like that, that I can get for my my drilling fluid or my tapping fluid, let me know. If you have a better idea, as well as, you know, for like the hydraulic jack oil, and you don't think these bottles work very well, let me know in the comments below as well. It was only $5.99 for the bottle. The fluid's going to be gone, and this bottle's going to be empty in a couple days anyways. But let me know what your experience with this is, this liquid wrench version of this oil. You know, let me know what oil you guys like. If you guys have a hydraulic jack oil that you like more, let me know down in the comments, you know, what you like about it, why you like it, how well it's worked out for you. Maybe start a conversation about this. Maybe it will help somebody else. Appreciate your guys' time. Thank you so much for watching. Smash the notification button in the face. Please smash the like button in the face as well. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. Thank you guys so much for sticking around, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.